guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the hair this color. It's like a aqua bluish green color. I really like this color. Everyone likes it on Instagram and stuff. So yeah, and I basically just straightened it. This was their body wave hair. This is Alipearl Hair, and this was their 613 hair, and it came as a body wave, and it was already constructed as a wig. So I just customized it and plucked it, made some baby hairs, and dyed it this color. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you want to see how I get this color, to just keep watching.
So first you're going to start off with a bucket, any bucket of your choice. This is just like a drawer from the Target brand, so you can use that. Make sure it's big enough to fit the whole entire wig in, and you're going to fill it up with water. I filled it up with hot water from just the sink, but some people use boiling water. I'm not sure if it works better. I've never used boiling water before, so yeah. And then once you fill up the whole tub with water, then you want to go ahead and take your wig, and this is from Alipearl Hair. This is their 613 wig, and I believe it's in 24 inches, 24 or 26 inches, one of those. And I just came and sprayed it with Got To Be, sprayed the lace, and brushed out the hair. I just thought maybe brushing out the hair will make it take to the color better, so it won't be any patches. And I'm using emerald and clover from the Door Dyes, and I'm just gonna put that all into the water. So I think right now I'm using clover first and putting it into the water. I wanted initially to go for like a really green color, but I actually went and it was kind of blue, so I don't know. It's okay. I really like the color anyway, so it turned out really nice. So once you like put all the color in, then you want to just go in and stir it up. And I used the end of like a rat tail comb and stirred it up. And you may want to use gloves for this because your hands may turn a tint of blue. So once I put both of the dyes in, I mixed in both clover and emerald, and I just mixed it up. And then you're going to start with the watercolor method, so you're going to start actually applying the hair and stuff. But you want to make sure that there's no like chunks in the water at all, because that can make like patches in the hair and it's just not really pretty. So take your time when it comes to stirring the water. So make sure there's like nothing left or like no clumps at all. And then I went in and dipped the front of the hair first, because I just like when the roots are darker. It didn't really work though, so it just dyed pretty evenly to me, so yeah. And then I went in and dipped all of the hair in. And you want to just keep doing this, dipping it in and out until you get your desired color payoff. And some people leave it in the water for a really, really long time, like hours. I probably left it in for 1 hour. And you don't have to do it, it's optional, but a lot of people say it takes the dye better. And I think so too, because it doesn't, you know how like your hair can come off blue like when you touch it? It doesn't do that if you leave it in there for a while. So I just kept soaking it, and as you can see, it wasn't the color I wanted. It's just really like light and stuff. So just keep dipping it back in. And if it's ever like a color that you don't want at all, and if you keep dipping it in, then you might want to add more dye and then do it again. So it's all about like experimenting, and I don't know. Basically this is what I did, and I put on gloves because I didn't want my fingers to turn into blue. As you can see, this time it's darker. And then I went in and combed through the hair just to make sure there was no blonde patches anywhere. And the lace usually does not dye, so you don't have to really worry about it. It depends on also the color though, because I've heard red hair tends to lace. So yeah, if you spray the Got To Be spray, it can avoid it and help it like to not dye the lace. And once I got the desired color that I wanted after I left it in for an hour, then I went in and shampooed and conditioned the hair. And I just used the Aussie Moist line. And I really like this line because it brings back the moisture into the hair, and it just, I don't know, it's really nice. I like it for natural hair also. So yeah. And then I just went in and washed the hair all out. You want to make sure you wash it very thoroughly so you won't get any bleeding of the hair if you wear white or anything like that. And the watercolor method is just so easy because it's like beginner friendly. You don't have to be an expert to know how to do it. It's really fun, actually. It's kind of like when you're a little kid and you're doing tie-dyeing shirts and stuff. It's just really fun. So I recommend doing it. If you have 613 hair and you just like bored of it, you can just, you know, spice it up. And here's what the color looked like after. And then I went in with the emerald and I poured it into a bowl. And I went in with into the roots and darkened it up a little bit. So I went with a brush and just started painting onto the roots because I felt like it was just a little too light at the roots. Because I like when like the hair is darker at the roots a little bit. And I wanted to make sure that it would blend in with my dark skin. So that's why I just went in just a little bit. And I saw that it made a difference. So I was happy. It wasn't like so noticeable and I didn't want it to be. I just wanted it to be a little bit darker. And I left this on probably about 10 minutes. I didn't leave it on for very long. And this step is optional. I just saw that I had more dye and I wanted it to be a little darker, so this is what I did to achieve the color. And I hope this was simple enough for you guys to understand. Check out the links below to Alipearl Hair. I really like their hair. This is my second time, I believe, working with them. And I had 613 hair from them both times, so I really like it. The first time I constructed my own wig when I did the ash blonde hair, and this time it came as a wig. And I really liked the way the wig came. It was a pretty deep part and everything, and it was not much shedding, and it's really nice and it can straighten very nice. So it's their body wave hair. So yeah,
don't forget to click the link to the hair down below. If you want this hair and you want to get this color for the rest of the summer, you know, finish off the summer, you gotta get a proper hair color, at least one. So yeah, don't forget to click the links down below. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Please give it a like, a comment, subscribe. I hope it was pretty easy and self-explanatory of like how to do this color. And if you want to have any other questions about the color or anything else, just leave it down below and I'll get to answering it. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media links. They'll be down below. So most of it is Stateofdallas. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Rushing this far, I'm also right. Young Jay died on the floor, so she broke my heart to the core, so what?